at gate 4 down there and going the back way like we did last night. Remember at gate 3, we took a right into the gate 3 and you got in the little ass corner there?
Where we parked there, okay.
So I gotta tell you this story.
What's up?
So John Savino, the old guy I work with,
Right.
he's an old Italian, and he said when he was young, he went up to these girls at the bar and said, "You should go on a date with me. I have a long dick." And he said, "You wouldn't believe it. It worked. The first one. It worked." He's
Oh
like,
my God.
He's like, so then we went down the hill, or we went over the hill.
This is gate 1.
Oh, yeah. We didn't go in gate 1, though, did we? Oh, yeah. Yeah,
No.
we did. Yeah. Yeah, we went down to gate 3. That's where we go, gate 3.
So he said, so then we went in the car, went over the hill, and then she found out I didn't have a long dick.
Oh my God, man.
He's like, I couldn't believe it though. It worked the first try. The first try. What's your dad doing?
Taking forever to your phone.
He parked in someone's yard. How much was it down the road?
$30, prime spot, $10 for here.
Carlisle's just over that fence.
What are you doing? Making a cup of coffee?
I gotta do it all.
Well, what are you doing?
Girls, get out. Get
What
all
shit
ready.
you got?
I gotta take everything. Do it all.
Hey, what do you need?
I'm good.
I'll carry that. Oh my God. You good?
Yeah.
Let me carry your bag. Here, let me carry that.
Get that thing up there so it'll come away. Okay, just because you ate good this morning don't mean like you gotta act like you're privileged.
Just carting this around the entire place.
What's that?
You're carting this whole thing around. Everyone's stopping to look. That's nice.
That clothes is nice.
Fuck yeah. That top looks good. What's that, fiberglass? Or is it just the freaking sticky stuff?
What's underneath look like?
So what, some of them have that,
Yeah.
and then this one doesn't?
Yeah, they're not period correct, that's why.
Oh. See, are you surprised I noticed that?
What did you notice?
Most of them have that freaking crosshair, right?
Oh yeah.
He said this one's not correct.
Boy, can you imagine a 4-speed in that cell?
Man, dude.
Sick. Is it automatic? Yeah.
That back window rolls too? That's so cool.
Yeah.
This one, but on this one.
Yeah, Falcons are...
They're a
He's
cute
the
little
Falcon
thing.
guy. This is all his stuff.
Oh yeah, the newer one.
He has an optical that is named Falcon. Show him your tattoo too.
I'm actually putting this
See?
on. What do you
Oh,
want?
look at that. You really do like
Yeah,
the
he's the
Falcons.
Falcon man.
I've always liked the 65 Comets, the stacked headlights. I'm a very big Pontiac guy, so I always like the stacked headlights.
Man, how cool is this thing?
That is
Dude, this is sick.
real truck. I like my Suburban.
Look at this International Scout, man.
Sick.
You don't see these too much. There's a guy in Freeville that has one.
It's got been on the Lick Street. It's got a couple suburban styles.
Of this?
International.
Oh yeah?
Thing's sick.
I love it.
We're gonna go check this bad boy out.
Yeah, the Beetle. Let's go.
Beetle.
Isn't that what you were saying? You like when the engines are exposed, or was that your dad?
No, that was me. I like that. That's cool.
Oh, they just got it off.
What's that?
These are so cool.
It's wicked, man. God, that's cool.
God, that looks fun. Imagine driving this thing.
Yeah, isn't that fun? It's so freaking low to the ground. It's wild.
Well, we've seen a few Volkswagens.
I like those ones. Those are cool.
What the fuck is that? Nitrous? What is that?
It might have like a air ride suspension. That's cool.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have anything for $1?
Oh, I see.
We've been asking everyone. Excuse me, sir. Do you have anything for $1?
I did run into the ice cream. The lady selling ice cream over here, and I walked over there. They were complimenting me on my man satchel.
Yeah, that's a good.
Old
Yeah, but at
ladies.
least you got your stuff right here.
And I went, oh, you guys got pecan? And she's like, yeah. Well, we've heard a bunch of people say that it's too cold for ice cream. I said, oh, it's never too cold for ice cream. She goes,
Dude,
I'll give you $2 off on your ice cream if you walk around and tell everybody that it's never too cold for ice cream. So I've just been doing that. It worked a lot better when I had ice cream in my hand.
Might get some.
That freaking.
It's more, and the nicer thing is too, the angle's a little bit less if you have any clearance issues.
On this one. On this one?
Yeah. Being longer, that one has more of a tilt to it than this one does. So it's easier if you got resto mods and crap like that.
It's up to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, maybe ask the boss.
The boss. Yeah, hey, I'm gonna buy a trailer and a car.
We are getting more money.
What is a steel one cheaper?
See where it fails. Plus, they've been in business since 82 or something like that. But anyway, so they bumped those out a little bit, and this is your this right here. This slot is for your axle bolts.
Okay.
When they make like their main beam, just like steel, every time you bend steel, you put more structural integrity into it. And the fact that they corrugate the mold, and if you look in the inside here, that's not a hollow tube. There's an X-frame inside that tube. This is all one piece squirted out through a die. Engineering is just remarkable.
What did you get, Mr. Rich? You got a turtle?
Got a turtle for Tesla, and I got a piece of yard out for my
Got a
farm.
nice foot bath.
What else did you get?
I bought a trailer,
Got a trailer? What else?
a winch.
I'm just take a quick film. This is what Rich got. Ramsey winch. Happy about the winch?
Oh yeah, you know it. You hooked me up on that one, buddy. $1,200 winch, 400.
Yep, can't beat it. Can't go to frickin' Harbor Freight and get something like this.
No. And it's quality. Made in USA. These are heavy duty. Oh yeah.
Ramsey winch.
Oh yeah.
8.5. How much you get it for? 400 bucks. 1,200 pound winch. Done.
Just like me. Ramsey. You know the way now, buddy, right? Yeah. Are you four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive?
I don't know what you're in here.
All the way to the left on that thing.
Yeah, you're in two-wheel.
Yeah.
There's a trailer. What'd you get, Rich?
We got a trailer.
What'd you buy?
Aluminum trailer.
You gonna be wheeling dealing?
We are.
We'll be hauling all these cars.
Gonna be safe.
You got a winch, you got a trailer, you got some fasteners, you got everything you wanted?
Almost everything. My son with me. I got my son's son with me. I'm good.
Son. Grandpa. So you're happier than a pig in shit?
Oh yeah. Come on, Alex. You're like a kid to me, man.
That's right.
You know that.
We're the same clan.
Same clan. We're the K clan.
Rocco's been having to take a poop missile
Poop,
for about
yeah.
last hour.
You
He's
know
getting
how
all
Rocco
antsy.
gets when he's got to take a poop. He gets impatient. The world according to Rocco.
No, you.
Me?
You could have parked there that whole time, just moved over.
We
so
had to
people could
change
get by.
balls.
So what?
I know, because people needed to
No,
get by.
you get excited.
I didn't get excited. Wasn't it smart what we did, Alex?
Hey,
got
it
up out of
worked
the
good.
freaking way. Absolutely. Everybody worked out happy. Nobody got mad. Make a pact, 3 of us. A year from now, we put our money together with a pool. Carlisle, you know, extra money. Do the extra tree jobs. Yeah, sell some mad
Undercoating.
glasses, this and that. We come in here with a 30 grand between of us, 10 each, and we buy a freaking car.
Then what with it?
We take it back home and we sell it.
20 grand profit each.
Sit it out in front of the optical and we'll just let it sit there till we get the money we want for it. Look at that cars in there we could have get for 30 grand. You tell me we can put it in front of the optical and make 10,000 in a week?
So how old were you when you first got your Falcon?
What's that?
Would have been 81, I think. Well, in Florida, once in there, I went to Florida, I bought that 69 Falcon. Yeah.
Which one, though?
The black one.
The black one.
69 with 302.
Then you're obsessed ever since.
Yeah. Was.
What are you?
All right, what did you get?
Today,
Yeah,
got a trailer.
let's check it out. Holy crap. Aluminum. State of the art, huh?
Aluminium.
Oh, there he is. And he got a winch. Ramsey winch. Yep. So we get everything we needed.
Well,
How was the trip?
We left 1,000 cars back there.
Good.
It's a good time.
Got the trailer.
Let's check it out.
Big bike.
Got the trailer. Got some Jeep tires. Rims. Mini bike. Cigar.
There you go. There you go.
We had a great time at Carlisle.
We sure did. Yeah, we did.
4-hour ride home.
Yeah. All right, man. I know you hate long goodbyes.
Yeah.
You hate long goodbyes. Just wondering about him. So, okay.
Hey, man. I had a blast.
I had a blast,
man.
Right, you too. What do you got to say for yourself?
I had a great time. I was just happy I got invited to an adventure.
If you didn't have to go home, you could spend a night here with me. No good run. Not even right.
Hey, they cleaned it. They cleaned it pretty good.
They did.
They did a good job cleaning. Had to get after them.
All right, man. I'll see you tomorrow sometime.
Yeah. Love you. We'll
Love
see
you.
you.
See ya.
See you in New York. Yeah. See you later.
Shit. Front feet crashed.
Dude. The trailer on there. Fucking
Holy crap. Oh, look at that one's all jacked. No, maybe not.
See ya. The freaking trailer flipped right over.
When we got back from the car show, my dad called and told me that his coworker died.
Alex, this is your dad. I wanted to tell you that Mike Temple passed away this morning. He was delivering rock and he dumped a load of rock, okay. Then he left and the customer followed him out and he went on up the road 2 miles. And
Mike had a heart attack, hit a tree, and died. And that really resonated with me. You know, you don't have that long on this earth, and you never know when it's your time to go. To be able to take a trip like this with friends and family and cherish every moment. The adventure that I got to go on with my friends, Rocco and his father Rich, I'll never forget. And to be able to record it all and make a story out of it for everyone to see makes it worth it. I hope the audience enjoyed it, and hopefully you will join us on our next adventure.